Guys, we have an update, official information on CFA. So it's very simple. Students generally do get confused with these points. So the first point is that how many times can I appear for any particular level in CFA? Now, there's been an update that the maximum amount of attempts a student can appear for is 6 attempts. The minute you cross 6 attempts, or for example, you don't clear 6 attempts, you will not be able to give further exams for CFA. And second, now students, when they are trying to plan, and especially because of the pandemic, exams attempts are getting cancelled. They are getting cancelled last minute sometimes. So for those kind of reasons, students sometimes are wondering that, okay, I will give level 1. Level 1, you can appear in Feb, May, August, and November. So if you give it in February, and let's say you're not sure because it was last minute preparation or the exams were just about, for whatever reason, right? Your next attempt that you ideally can plan on giving from Feb would be in May. However, now there is an official update on this. If you do not clear level 1 in February, you have to wait a minimum of 6 months, which means your next attempt for level 1 will only be in August. This applies to level 2 and level 3 as well. So if you fail any level and you have to reappear, 6 months gap. Also, you've given level 1 in February and you've cleared. Now the next attempt for you will be level 2, but the gap between level 1 and level 2 also will be a minimum of 6 months. You will not be allowed to give an exam before a 6-month period. So these are 2 points of update which have come to us yesterday. We'll put the link of the official confirmation down below for you. Also, quick point, the institute has confirmed with us tentatively that the August exam in India will be conducted. If any part of this message seems like something that you can relate to, or share it with somebody who you feel can relate to it, please like, subscribe, and share.